Happy morning, children. I'm happy to start this video, this session, because of this is the last part of chapter number 3. That means reproductive health. Reproductive health or the last part. This part is infertility. What is meant by infertility? Infertility means inability to conceive or inability to produce children after the unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. Simply you can write inability to produce the children or inability to conceive. This is called infertility. In case of male, there is no production of sufficient number of sperm or there is no production of quality sperm. It may be a reason for infertility. See here, that is the inability of a man to produce sufficient number of or quality of sperm to impregnate a woman. Pregnant ஆகிற அளவுக்கு அவட்ட என்ன கிடையாதுன்னா ஸ்பெர்ம் கிடையாது, ஸ்பெர்மோட வயபிலிட்டி கிடையாது. அப்படின்னு என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா மேல் ஸ்டெரிலிட்டி அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். But in case of women, inability of a woman to become pregnant or maintain the pregnancy. ஒரு சில நேரத்தில் pregnant ஆயிடுவாங்க, பட் அதுக்கப்புறம் அபார்ஷன் ஆகும். அப்போ ரெண்டுமே வந்து இன்ஃபெர்டிலிட்டி தான் சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ inability become a pregnant or maintain the inability to maintain the pregnancy. These are the some cases considered as a infertility. The next part is various causes of infertility. Tumor in the pituitary gland as well as reproductive organ also one of the reason for causes of infertility. If the tumor, if the uncontrolled growth occurs in the pituitary gland, what will happen? It suppresses the secretion of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Already you know very well about the role of FSH and LH in the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis லையும் oogenesis லையும் follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone ரொம்ப essential. Because of the effective production of egg and sperm due to the stimulation of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. So the secretions of pituitary gland also essential for spermatogenesis. There is a tumor in the pituitary gland, it suppresses the spermatogenesis process, leads to infertility. And the tumor occurs in the reproductive organ. The reproductive organs are the major site for production of sperms and egg. So if the organ infected by a or if the organ infected by a cancer, it may suppress the gametogenesis process. And inherited mutations of genes. This infertility may be due to the inherited. Infertilityங்கிறது பாரம்பரியாக கூட வரலாம், அது ஒரு ரீசன். And biosynthesis of sexual hormones. Failure in the biosynthesis of sexual hormones, that means follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. This is also one of the reason. This reason may be developed due to the mutation of the genes. And the malformation of the cervix. Cervix means already you know this is a part which receives the sperm during the coitus. And if there is any problem in the cervix, it blocks the entry of sperm into the fallopian tube. Because of the fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. And a malformation of the fallopian tube. Already you know very well about that. The fertilization takes place in the rambula region of the fallopian tube. So if there is any problem in the fallopian tube, it may cause us a infertility and inadequate nutrient before the adulthood. Puberty ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னால கம்மியா சாப்பிட்டீங்க அப்படினாலும் இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் வரலாம். So have healthy food and healthy diet. Avoid junk foods. This junk foods also nowadays causes a infertility. And next we move on to long-term stress, and this stress also suppress the periodic cycle or it suppress the menstrual cycle. This is a periodic cycle, 28-day cycle. During this menstrual cycle, the ovulation also takes place. If there is no ovulation, if there is no menstrual cycle, what will happen? There is no ovulation. And this is also one of the reason for infertility. Stress is also one of the reason. And ingestion of toxins, especially heavy metals like cadmium, and heavy usage of alcohol and tobacco and marijuana, it is a type of tobacco product, and injuries to the gonads. Last one is aging. Aging is one of the factor because of the menstrual cycle ceased at the age of 45 to 50. Females la menstrual cycle 45 to 50 years old la enna nadandrum appadina pathina cease aidum, but males also produce the sperm up to 90 years old. 90 வயசு வரைக்கும் அவங்களால என்ன பண்ண முடியும்னா sperm produce பண்ண முடியும். So aging also one of the reason. Okay, so first what we were discussed, what is meant by infertility, and what are the people's what type of people easily affected by the infertility, then various causes of infertility. And next slide also explain the various causes of infertility. And these are the some diseases. Some disease also causes infertility. First one is pelvic inflammatory disease, and this disease also causes infertility, and uterine fibrosis and endometriosis. Uterine fibrosis, growth of fibers in the uterine wall, endometrial wall, inflammation of endometrium, endometriosis also causes infertility in women. Low body fat or anoxia in women. This is an anoxia condition, and this anoxia condition also causes infertility in women. And in men, undescended testis and swollen veins, that means varicocele in the scrotum. Normally scrotum, it is a hanging structure located outside of the abdominal cavity. Because of the effective sperm production occurs in the low temperature. Body temperature oda temperature கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக இருந்தால் தான் என்ன ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும் அப்படின்னா ஸ்பெர்ம் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும். அப்போ அன்டிசென்ட் டெஸ்டிஸ் ஸ்க்ரோட்டல் சாக்குலர் இல்லாமல் வயிற்றுக்குள்ளே இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் மே சப்ரஸ் த ஸ்பெர்மட்டோஜெனிசிஸ். அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் அனதர் திங். சி, tight clothing in the men may raise the temperature in the scrotum and affect the sperm production. Avoid wearing of tight clothing. This tight clothing also suppress the sperm production. And underdeveloped ovaries and testes. Poorly developed ovaries, normally called Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome. Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome, nothing but the woman born with ovary, but that ovaries are a poorly developed ovary, unable to produce the egg. This condition is called Mayer-Rokitansky syndrome. And see here next reason, female may develop antibodies against the partner's sperms. Sometimes this female bodies develops the antibodies against our male sperms, and these antibodies destroy the sperms. This is also one of the reason for infertility. And last one is male develop an autoimmune response to their own sperm. This is a type of autoimmune disease. This too may not happen regularly. This too may be a rare cases, may occurs in a very rare people. And suppose if the antibodies develops in the male against their own sperm, it will affect the spermatogenesis and release of sperm. So these are the some reason for these causes for infertility. The causes of infertility may be a 5-mark question, and what is meant by infertility may be a 2-mark question. That's all. Infertility over. And next class we will discuss the adjusted reproductive technology. That means infertility இருக்கிறாங்க, குழந்தை பெற்றுக்க முடியல, அவங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன டெக்னாலஜி அவைலபிளாக இருக்குது. ஐஸ்வர்யா வந்தோம், எங்களுக்கும் ஒரு குழந்தை. We'll see next class. Thank you.